Good day, students. Now, under the chapter analytic functions, now we are going to find the analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv if u is given as sin 2x by cos h 2y minus cos 2x. Now, the solution is Milne-Thomson method. You know, Thomson's method is f of z is equal to integral dou u by dou x of z comma 0 dz minus I integral dou u by dou y of z comma 0 dz. This is the formula if u is given by Milne-Thomson method f of z. Given u is equal to sin 2x by cos h 2y minus cos 2x. Differentiation of u with respect partially with respect to x is dou u by dou x. So, I am going to use a quotient rule. You know the quotient rule, u by v, differentiation is v u dash minus u v dash by v square. This is the quotient rule you learn in differential calculus. Cos h 2y minus cos 2x whole square is v square. Here cos h 2y minus cos 2x into differentiation of sin 2x with respect to x is cos 2x into 2. So, 2 into cos 2x minus u is sin 2x of differentiation of cos h 2y with respect to x is 0 minus differentiation of cos is minus, so it becomes plus 2 sin 2x. Now, simplification. Cos h 2y minus cos 2x whole square. Okay, here cos h 2y into this term is 2 cos h 2y cos 2x minus 2 cos square 2x minus 2 sin square 2x. Again simplification. Yes. Cos h 2y minus cos 2x whole square, we can keep like this, 2 cos h 2y cos 2x minus 2 is common, minus 2 is common, then cos square theta plus sin square theta may come is 1. Cos square 2x plus sin square 2x is 1. Remember this one. This is dou u by dou x. Now, dou u by dou x of z comma 0 means x is z, y equal to 0. X cos x is z, y is 0. 2 cos h 0, y is 0. Cos 2z minus 2 into 1 2 divided by cos h 0 minus cos 2z whole square, cos 2z here is equal to 2 into cos h 0, you know 1 cos 2z minus 2 divided by cos h 0 again 1 minus cos 2z whole square. Now, 2 is common in numerator, cos 2z minus 1 divided by 1 minus cos 2z whole square. See, here 1 minus cos 2z, here cos 2z minus 1. So, I can rewrite as minus 2 of 1 minus cos 2z divided by 1 minus cos 2z whole square. One time cutting cancel. So, now we will get minus 2 divided by 1 minus cos 2z. Then by trigonometric formula, 1 minus cos 2z is 2 sin square z. It's a trigonometric formula. 2 cutting cancel, minus 1 by sin square is cosecant square z. Let it be. This is dou u by dou x of z comma 0. Now, dou u by dou x of z comma 0 dz is over. So, we need dou u by dou y of z comma 0. I am going to restart the problem once again from here to find dou v by dou y of z comma 0. Yes. So, I can keep that result there. I can keep this also. So, I can drop these 3 steps alone to find dou v by dou y. Again u by v method. Quotient rule. So, differentiate partially with respect to y. Differentiate partially with respect to y, dou u by dou y is equal to cos h 2y minus cos 2x whole square is v square. Again cos h 2y minus cos 2x is v, and differentiation of sin 2x with respect to y is 0 minus sin 2x of differentiation of cos h 2y is sin h 2y into 2. So, 2 sin h 2y differentiation with respect to y minus 0 because x with respect to y becomes 0 is equal to this fully 0, this is minus 2 sin 2x sin 2hy sin h2y sin h hyperbolic function divided by cos h2y minus cos 2x whole square. Now, dou u by dou y of z comma 0 is equal to minus 2 sin 2z sin h of 0 divided by cos h of 0 minus cos 2z whole square. Remember, sin h0 is 0. 1 minus cos 2z whole square is not equal to 0. So, 0 by anything is 0. Yes. Now, we got dou u by dou x of z comma 0, dou u by dou y of z comma 0. Two results are available. Now, we can easily find f of z by using this result. Yeah. So, I can rub this alone. Yes. Now, f of z is equal to dou u by dou x of z comma 0 is minus cosecant square z dz minus 0 because dou u by dou y of z comma 0 is 0. By antiderivative method or integral rule, standard rule, you know, minus cosecant square z is cot z. Mostly integral means we have to add integral constant f of z. So, this is the required result where c is a constant. Constant c is equal to c1 plus I c2, both complex number, complex integration, complex constant. Yes. So, for if u is given, u is a real part of f of z, they are asking us to find analytic function. This is the analytic function. Thank you.